Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Libra for the month of June. Okay, so this will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Alright, in this reading we will see what are the general energies for you during the month, what will be the challenges and outcome, and what will be the what are the guidance and what will be the probable outcome. Okay, if any of the card in your reading appears in which the human body is coming which is not covered, I will not show those cards on the reading, and I will definitely tell you the card name and the message coming for you through the cards, as showing these cards is against the YouTube policies. Okay, at the end of the reading we will also take some angel and ancestors guidance for you to deal with the situation or the guidance for the month of June. Okay, so stay till the end. Let's see what do the cards have for you, Libra, for the month of June. General energy for the month of June. General energy for the month of June for Libra. General energy for the month of June for Libra. Okay. Alright. What are the obstacles coming in for Libra? What are the obstacles there for Libra? Okay. What is the guidance for Libra here? What is the guidance for Libra? What is the guidance for Libra? Okay. And what is the probable outcome? Whoa. Alright. Bottom of the deck we have Three of Cups. So it's a very good card. You are maybe having a reunion with your closed ones, a small celebration going on in and around you, and maybe you have achieved something for which you are planning to celebrate, and it's a kind of happy feeling. Okay, you're feeling good about something, about your certain achievement. It can be in your work, in your relation, anything. Okay, so yeah, that's the reading guys. Now let's see what do the cards have as a general energy for you, Libra. So here the energy is about taking action. Okay, it's like go getter. I will do what I want, whatever I have to do to get a particular situation, a particular goal, or to reach out to my goal. I will do whatever it takes. So it's basically being fearless, being ready to face the challenges, and go getter energy. It's a very good active energy I see here, very fiery energy. And you also, maybe for some of you, it's like you are having so many thoughts, so many ideas, so many plans in your mind to achieve your goal, and you are like, I am going to get it. Nobody can stop me from doing what I want to do. Okay, at the same time you have to keep in mind that whatever you are doing, you are saying, your actions, your words should not hurt others. Okay, you need to be very mindful of your words, your actions, that whatever you are doing, you are saying, it is for your growth, for your good, but at the same time it's not harming anybody else. Okay, so just try to focus on that as well. All right, obstacle here for you is you might be feeling left out in the cold. You might be feeling nobody is supporting me for whatever I want to do, but anyway I am going to do it. Okay, so sometimes even if you feel like you are not getting the support of the people around you, or the people you were expecting to get support have closed their doors on you, and now they are not ready to help you or standing there for you, just try to change your perspective. Maybe sometimes when you don't get the support from people, it's like the universe ways of telling us that you have all the knowledge, you have all the strength, you have all the skills you need to do what you want. Why are you expecting support from others, right? And that is why universe put us out in this situation where we are left out, so that we get to know our own hidden potential, right? So just try to change your perspective and see things and work on what you want to achieve in your life. Because if you will keep on expecting from people to help you in difficult times, you will never know your hidden potential, your own strength, right? So sometimes universe put us in this situation so that we can know what we are capable of doing. Okay, so just try to change your perspective and see things from a different angle, because that is what the guidance is. The guidance is you have everything, you have all the things you need to achieve in your life, but you are here kind of expecting the help or support from the people instead of focusing on and realizing your own worth, your own skill, your own talent, and believing yourself. You are kind of focusing on being left out or left alone. So don't do that, because the guidance here is you have all the knowledge, you have all the support, you have all the skill, you have all the talent, you have all the wisdom, you have everything you need right now to achieve what you want. So do not expect anything from anyone. Just focus on your goal, work on yourself. For some of you, if it is on related to health, you need to focus on your health, because all you can do is, change your perspective, try to see things from a better angle, from a higher perspective, and work on yourself, right? So you have everything, you do not have to expect anything from anyone, from the from the people around, basically, because whatever you need, you have everything to achieve it. Okay, so just focus on it and try to change things, see things from a different angle, because okay, there are two cards, I will take both. So because the outcome is, when you are expecting support from people and you don't get it, it's like in our difficult times we see the true colors, right, of the people around. So that is the harsh reality of this world, right? So when you are expecting support and you don't get it and you achieve everything, obviously it hurt us in some way, right? That when people needed me, I was always there, but when I needed, nobody was there with me, right? So that definitely bring that pain, that emotional pain. We feel like I was expecting everybody to be with me when I was in problem, but nobody was there. So it's kind of a realization which will happen, and it might be a difficult thing to deal with. It will make you feel heavy at an emotional level. It might make you feel uh, you know that whatever you have been assuming about people, that they are all happy with you for your growth, for your success, and they will always support you, but the actual reality comes in when you are in tough situation or in problem, right? So when you have that realization, it's kind of a painful thing to deal with, but that is what the good thing is also, right? Or if you see on the other side, that going forward you will not have unnecessary expectations from anyone, right? So try to see things from that angle and try to be your own medicine instead of expecting somebody else to be the medicine of your pain. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is, focus on self-love, self-healing, self-growth. Pamper yourself, do what makes you happy instead of expecting others to do something to make you happy. Okay, yep, that's a very good realization actually. Another card came out in was, see again, you will know what you need to focus on for your growth, right? So once you have, see, Five of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. So since nobody was there in your tough time, now you will know how you have to create balance. Are you too much focused on your are you too much giving importance to the people around you who were actually not there with you in your tough time? So you will learn how to create balance. Okay, so that is also the card. Now let's see what's the guidance from the angels and ancestors coming to you here. Just a second. Libra, right? So let's see what's the angels and ancestors guidance coming towards you. Okay, I will take first two. Okay, I don't know why I feel taking all, so I'll take all. Okay, so make plans and focus. So this goes with your energy of the month of June, right? Make plan and focus. So to achieve your goal, when you're ready to move ahead, being in a go-getter energy, before acting into anything, you need to have a proper plan, right? So that you can move on with the proper strategy and you know exactly what you have to do. Okay, also it means that you need to be like uh, be very careful about whom you're sharing your plans and strategies with, right? So because that is also coming through this card of broken arrows, right? So you need to be very careful about whom you're trusting and whom you're sharing your plans with, and you need to be focused. Okay, now coming to the peacemaker, peacekeeper. It's like a harmonious resolution is possible. So when you see people around you are not supporting you, or you're not getting the enough support as you expected from them to be given to you, it kind of bring that energy of frustration and anger, and in that anger and frustration we kind of enter into a fight or arguments, right? That you did not support me, I was not expecting all this, and it kind of goes into worse, right? So just try to ignore thing. As I said, you have everything you need to reach your goal. So you do not have to enter into fights and tell people that why you were not there for me in my difficult time. Instead, try to be harmonious and try to be like, okay, I know what I have to do, and this is what I know how I have to do, right? So just try to figure out a peaceful solution to the problem you're dealing with, instead of getting into the unknown fights with others. Because the broken arrow also says embrace the energy of peace, and that is what is said by the peacekeeper also, that instead of getting into arguments when you are being hurt or not supported by the people around, you need to basically focus on peace. Okay, so when you're peaceful mentally, emotionally, you kind of figure out different ways, different solutions to the problems. And when you are in anger, you are in frustration, even the small problem turns out to be a huge one, right? But when we are at peace, emotionally we are kind of balanced, and it's no what the support from the people around is not happening, even then we don't lose our calm, and we are like, okay, we will figure out a way to deal with the situation. And that's how you start getting the solutions to the problem, right? So just try to be at peace, be calm, be relaxed, take slow and steady slow actions, and you will see the progress. Because you need to, as I said, you need to have a proper plan, and you need to focus on what you need to actually focus on right now, so that you can deal with the problem. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.